This is the PTX 951. This tool is designed to crimp meter tabs to attach them to a wire, just like this example here. This is what they start out as. This tool is a pneumatic, custom-built tool to fit this particular meter tag. We can build them for other size meter tags. The way the tool works is the meter tag goes into the tool and is retained by a little tension spring. The wire goes into a little tab on the bottom and activates. Meter tab is connected and it's in there secure. Okay, one more time. The tab goes in. The meter seal wire goes down. Tool's activated. Done. PTX 951. We can make other variations of this for other types of meter tags. This one is designed specifically for this particular tag and is a pretty much build-to-order tool. If you have any questions, call Custom Products and Services and we'll help you out.